Confirm target acquisition on the bow. We have a strong return here. Depth is consistent with the wreck profile.
Approaching the waterline. Get ready for impact.
Heavy turbulence. She's away from the deck.
We have critical instability at the bow section, marked in red. Acknowledged. Sonar confirms severe material fatigue here. Rerouting the ROV trajectory now.
Control, we have the balloon secured at the stern.
Roger that. Commencing the lift sequence now. Watch the swell.
Cables are clear.
We have a critical spike on line 3. Reduce tension immediately. Rerouting hydraulic pressure now. Buoyancy failing.
The storm is escalating, but we are holding steady. Continue the operation, monitor cable tension closely.
We're showing uneven load on the starboard side.
Acknowledged. Slowing port side winch rotation now.
Control, she's secure on the platform!
Copy that. All lines holding steady. Well done, team.
Note the localized pitting near the rivet line. Confirmed. Adjusting depth accordingly.
Look at the rivets here. Copy that.
The stress levels are reading critical near the manifold.
This extreme preservation strategy is unprecedented. We must stabilize the structural integrity first.
Maintain pressure on the supports. We're seeing some instability near frame 42.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now.
The thinning here is significant, down to 40%.
Confirmed. Look at the pitting on the B strake.
Crane 42, lower the section 5 meters.
Copy that. Watching the guide wires.
We need more support beams on level 7.
The reaction rate is stabilizing nicely.
Confirmed, we are seeing optimal breakdown in Sector 4.
Maintain thermal steady state on section 4.
Copy that. Increasing flow rate.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. No leaks detected at junction 4.
Acknowledged. Proceed to depressurize.
Keep the pressure even on that stroke, looking good.
Okay.
Copy that.
Making progress on the next segment. Laser alignment shows green on section Gamma.
Copy that. Proceeding with seal activation. Sector 5 is clear for final inspection.
Copy that. Proceeding to the next section.
Control, this is Sector 4, clear to rotate the main assembly.
Copy that. Rotating now. Watch the starboard side.
Good. All right, easy now. Bring the aft legs slightly to starboard. Confirmed. According to the 1912 manifest, this section requires the
We have green on the laser alignment. Copy that. Increasing flow rate to the upper bearings.
Crane, hold position. We're stabilizing the turbine.
Pressure holding steady at 200 psi.
Acknowledged. Increasing steam flow to the main actuators.
beginning descent sequence. All parameters are green. Steady as she goes. Cables holding true. We have contact with the water. Hoist command engaged.
Check the hydraulic pressure on deck 4.
Reading stable. We are clear for the next phase.
Look at the detail on this carving. Absolutely flawless. It aligns perfectly with the archival blueprints, Doctor.
All stations, the vessel is fully buoyant. We are proceeding with the relaunch sequence.
Roger that. Control. Tugboats moving into position.
Tug 1 holding steady at 50%. Copy that. Main channel clear. We are officially underway.
We have a slight deviation on the current track. Adjust course 2 degrees to starboard.
2 degrees starboard, confirmed.